Hey guys, welcome back to Buckeye Backyard Barbecue. Today, we're gonna unbox my brand new Monument Grill camping griddle, and we're also gonna give one away. Well, there it is, guys. That was actually super duper simple to put together. No problems whatsoever. If I can do it, any of you guys can definitely do it as well. And if you guys want to win one of these, all you gotta do is like this video, leave a comment in the comments that says "Give me that griddle," and go like Monument Grill's YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.